Hey guys, hey, I just wanted to do kind of a fun comparison on the visual size of a shock. I've been working on the 29. Let me show you really quick. This is the shock I took off. It's just a Sensatrack. I use those on my regular truck, my daily truck. And they work fine. They work really good. Because I've been having binding issues. This other shock here, sorry, my light just went out. I actually cut the casing off, the cover off, just for binding purposes, to see where it was binding. It helped me a lot. So I'm going to be replacing these shocks because they are kind of worn out. They're kind of sloppy. So I went down and got some cheap old shocks, just for trial and error purposes. And it's hard to see now that my light went out. Unfortunately, it did. But I wanted to share the size. Now, I'm going to test something else as well. I'm actually going to put a set of air shocks on so I can get a little more boost in the spring, because the spring I have on here is a Speedway 175 coil spring. I haven't been able to find anything from Speedway or anybody else so far that makes a 200 spring to put a little strength back in the back, because when I sit in it, the car goes all the way back down to the bottom because there's not much spring there. So I just wanted to share that I'm going to be putting these Gabriel hijackers in there. It's off of a 70 C10. That's the model I got. 1970 C10 to fit this one. Should be about the right size. All I'm going to do is just put a little air in it just to get the suspension a little bit stiffer, because now the suspension's too sloppy and it's just no way going to dry, because when I sit in it, car goes literally down to the bottom out point. So anyways, later.